Our Earth. The Earth is a home for all living things. It is the third planet from the Sun. The presence of air and water has made our Earth suitable place for living things. But the Earth was not the same millions of years ago. It was simply a hot ball of gas at that time. With time, these gases cooled down and the molten rocks on the outer surface of the Earth cooled down and converted into solid rocks. These rocks formed the land where we live. The surface of Earth is covered with about 70% of water. This is because when we see from the sky, the Earth seems blue. That's the reason the Earth is also called the blue planet. Shape of the Earth. It is generally said that the Earth is round in shape like a ball, but it seems like a flat surface surrounded by a hemispherical atmosphere when we see around ourselves. It seems like a blue ball when seen from the outer space, but it is flattened at the top called North Pole and bottom called South Pole. Later, American astronauts landed on the moon in 1969. They saw that the Earth appears round from the moon, but the Earth appears flat to us because we can see only a tiny part of it like a big arc. Structure of the Earth. Our Earth mainly consists of three layers: crust, mantle, and core respectively. The topmost layer of the Earth is called crust. It consists of solid rocks. The layer underlying the crust is called mantle. It consists of molten rocks with small stones. The innermost layer of the Earth is called core. This layer mainly consists of molten rocks and minerals. What is inside the Earth? The Earth has molten rocks inside it. Sometimes these rocks come out due to high pressure beneath the Earth's crust through the cracks and erupt as volcano. A volcano is an opening on the Earth's surface through which hot molten rocks come out of the Earth's surface called lava. Movement of the Earth. The Earth moves all the time. It shows two kinds of movements: rotation and revolution. Rotation. The Earth spins like a top. It spins west to east all the time on an imaginary line. This line is called the axis of the Earth, which is slightly tilted. The spinning movement of the Earth on its axis is called rotation. The Earth takes 24 hours to complete a rotation. Day and night. The rotation of the Earth on its axis causes day and night. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. So, one day and night has 24 hours. The part of the Earth that faces the sun has day, and the portion that does not face the sun has night. The longest day happens on 21st June of every year. On 21st December, the day is shortest. Revolution. The movement of the Earth around the Sun is called revolution. The Earth revolves around the Sun in a definite path called orbit. It takes 365 and 1/4 days to complete one revolution. This period is called a year. Seasons in a year. We have different seasons in a year. These are summer, winter, rainy, autumn, and spring. The seasons change because the Earth tilts to one side and revolves around the Sun. This makes the different parts of the Earth closer to Sun at different times of the year. The part of the Earth closer to the Sun has summer, and the part away from the Sun has winter.